Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a fill on these nails today. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. So I filed down the bulk of her acrylic off camera, but once I do that, I'm going to apply a very thin layer of primer, and then I'm going to go in with a thin layer of clear. Today I'm going to be doing a red and black ombre, so I'm going to start with my red and I'm going to bring it all the way to the tip of the nail. I'm making sure to apply my acrylic thick enough as to color the color underneath. I will be beginning each nail with red acrylic, and once the red acrylic has dried, I'm going to go in and ombre with my black. I will now be applying the black acrylic to start my ombre. The trick to the perfect ombre is putting very little pressure when you're blending your colors. Once my ombre is finished, I'm going to encapsulate it in clear and also build my apex. Once my acrylic is completely dry, I'm going to use my extra coarse sanding band to start off my shaping process. This step can also be completed using a 100 grit hand file or an 80 grit hand file, but this step just makes it a little bit more easy. So although I've been using my E-file to start my shaping process, I'm still going to go in with my hand file. This is a 100 grit hand file that I'm using. You can use something similar like a 120 grit or a 180 grit, but I like the 100 grit hand file because it's sturdy and it gets the job done in a very quick manner. Here you'll see me using my fingers to press against the nail to apply more pressure into the file. I will now be using my medium sanding band to smoothen out the surface of each nail. I'm going to do this step to make sure that there are no unwanted grooves or bumps in the nails before I apply my polish. Once I complete this process, I'm going to apply a gel matte top coat to the nails, and there are the finished results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. All of the colors that you saw me use are available by C-Tones Acrylic. We are on Facebook, we're on YouTube, and we're also on Instagram. Make sure you check out our website, ctones.com. God bless.